So here is a model with no spray in bed liner, and the cubbies, it's an XL flex bed, QR code. It also has these 12-volt connections, okay, and somebody can wire lighting, air compressor, and various 12-volt connections to it. This side, I took off the cover because on the XLT Luxury it includes a 110-volt plug and a bed light, which I'm sure you can add easily enough, taking these screws off. That's what's down there. Interesting. You can see all the way through. I'll get a picture from below. Here's the other 12-volt connection. You can wire on this side. Notice it has a tie down here on the XL, but not here, but that's easy to add, it looks like. It's all threaded, ready to go. And then there's more threaded holes for the rail system that goes in there. So you see that tie down right at the end? That's in the way of the rail system, but all you do is you unscrew that and put it right here on each side. Pretty easy. So there's a lot of holes that are pre-drilled, preset for all the connections you need in this flex bed. So here's that cubby opening from underneath, and you can see it goes all the way through because I can see daylight right up there. And so I'm sure there's an aftermarket, or Ford probably has a part you can add to make that space usable. Also interesting, this is the Hitch receiver. It's a 2-inch, even though it's only 2,000 pounds, they give you the hefty 2-inch Hitch receiver, not the smaller size, with the chain anchors right there, and the 4-pin connector for your lights. This option was only $100. I'm sure it would cost 3 or 4 times that to do it after. I don't know why it was so cheap, but I wasn't complaining. And if you look, the wiring harness, you know, Ford ran, let's see, where's it go? It goes, it's right there. It goes there. It's grounded right there. And it splits off right here and connects over to that wiring connection. And it keeps going. So there's the connection on the other side. I mean, that would be a big job trying to do it yourself after the fact. And they only charged $100. Thank you, Ford.